Hello guys, I needed a place to put my notes in the apartment, so I bought this whiteboard. Since I don't have much space in my apartment, so I needed this one just for the wall. But I don't have any place where I can put these whiteboard markers. I got them for the whiteboard just like this sponge, but the sponge sticks there magnetically. And since I want to keep my markers nearby, I need some kind of holder for them. So I quickly grab my computer and open up Fusion 360. I measured all the dimensions and modeled an easy to print model. Let's print it out. I decided to use the fuzzy skin modifier and it came out perfectly. Now we need to glue the magnets into the model. Since I originally made the model for a different size of magnets, which I later found out I don't have anymore, I had to create spacers to adjust the holes to the new dimension. I could print the marker holder again, but I didn't want to waste it, and printing the spacers took around 5 minutes. After I glued the spacers, I glued the magnets inside. With that done, let's put it into the test. And it looks like it works perfectly. If you like the video, there is a link to the model under the video, and I will be happy for subscription, like and comments. Bye!